play a little bit?
Yeah.
A little bit longer?
Yeah.
Because you got some new toys for your birthday?
Sleep.
Is the bear sleeping? He has a sleepy face that you can put on him. Oh, there it is. That's the baby face. Yeah, there you go. That's the daddy face. Daddy bear. Right, so you take off this one. That's our face.
Baby.
Oh, you want the baby to be sleeping?
Baby.
Here, these are the baby face.
Daddy. Daddy.
Mm-hmm. And look, the baby has a sleeping one too. You put the daddy face back in the daddy box. Go, and I'll put the baby faces back in the baby box.
Play that with it.
Sure, you can play a little bit more. Go ahead.
Yeah. Clothes.
Change clothes.
Yeah.
You're getting the bears all dressed.
Mm.
Picking out their clothes. Is that the baby bear face you want? Okay. What about his shirt? You're going to pick out a shirt for him? For the
Mama's.
baby? Oh, that's the mama's shirts, right? Oh, that's a nice one.
Mama's.
Mm-hmm. It has a
Mama
flower on it.
clothes.
That's the mama's clothes, right?
Baby. Baby clothes. Daddy clothes.
Yeah.
Shoes.
For the daddy? I think those are for the daddy.
Off.
Oh, where does that one go? Right. Good job. Are those for the daddy? Mm-hmm.
Clean clothes.
Yeah.
Clean clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Naked.
Are they naked? I think, oops, was that a baby? There you go. And I think that's a mommy shirt. Right. Good job. Are you going to put some more on?